Hi, my name is Komang. You can call me Komang. I will explain to you about series and sequence. Series and sequence is one of the basic topics in arithmetic. An itemized collection of elements in which repetition of any sort are allowed is known as a sequence, where a series is the sum of all elements. An arithmetic progression is one of the common examples of sequence and series. In short, a sequence is a list of items or objects which have been arranged in a sequential way, and a series can be highly generalized as the sum of all the terms in a sequence. However, there has to be a definite relationship between all the terms of sequence. What is series and sequence? A sequence is an arrangement of any objects or a set of numbers in a particular order followed by some rule. A sequence can be defined based on the number of terms, like either finite sequence or infinite sequence. If A1, A2, A3, A4, blah 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 is a sequence, then the corresponding series is given by Sn equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus blah 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 until plus En. Next, we will talk about types of sequence and series. There are many types of sequence and series, like arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, harmonic sequence, and Fibonacci numbers. First, we will talk about arithmetic sequence. A sequence in which every term is created by adding or subtracting a definite number to the preceding number is an arithmetic sequence. 2 is geometric sequence. A sequence in which every term is obtained by multiplying or dividing a definite number with the preceding number is known as geometric sequence. 3 is harmonic sequence. A series of numbers is said to be in harmonic sequence if the reciprocals of all the elements of the sequence form an arithmetic sequence. And 4 is Fibonacci numbers. Fibonacci numbers form an interesting sequence of numbers in which each element is obtained by adding two preceding elements, and the sequence starts with 0 and 1. Sequence is defined as f0 equal to 0 and f1 equal to 1 and fn equal to fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. Next, we will talk about sequence and series formula. Sequence and series formula we will explain by this table. First, sequence. Arithmetic progression have a sequence is A plus D, A plus 2D, blah 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 until A plus n minus 1 multiplying by D. Next, geometric progression have a sequence is A multiplied by R, A multiplied by R to the power of 2, blah 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 until A multiplied by R to the power of n minus 1. Next, common difference or ratio. arithmetic progression has a common difference or ratio is successive terms minus preceding terms is common difference equal to D equal to A2 minus A1. Geometric progression has a common difference or ratio is successive terms divided by preceding terms is a common ratio equal to R equal to A multiplied by R to the power of n minus 1 divided by A multiplied by R to the power of the n minus 2. Next, general terms or n terms. The arithmetic progression has a general terms or n term is En equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Geometric progression has a general term is En equal to A multiplied by R to the power of the n minus 1. Next, sum of pairs and terms. Arithmetic progression have a sum of pairs term is Sn equal to n divided by 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 d. Sum of pairs and term of geometric progression is Sn equal to a multiplied by 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r if r more than 1, and Sn equal to a multiplied by r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 if r more than 1. Next, we will talk about difference between sequence and series. The first difference is a set of elements. Sequence. Set of elements in sequence that follow a pattern. Set of elements is in the series is a sum of elements of the sequence. 2 is order of elements. Sequence. Order of elements in sequence is important, but order of elements in series is not important. Finite sequence or series. Finite sequence is forms like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finite series is formed in 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Infinite sequence or series. Infinite sequence is formed in 1, 2, 3, 4, blah 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 until n. Infinite series form is 1, 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus blah blah blah. Next is sequence and series example. If 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, blah 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 is a sequence, find common difference and term 101 terms. Solution. Given sequence is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. The common difference is 10 minus 5 equal to 5. The nth term of the arithmetic sequence is denoted by the term Tn and is given by Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 d. where A is the first term and D is the common difference. So Tn equal to 5 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 5 equal to 5 plus 5n minus 5 equal to 5n. See, 101 terms as T101 equal to 5n equal to 5 multiplied by 101 equal to 505. So just that I can explain about sequence and series. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you always help and always be smart. Thank you. Goodbye. See you later. Bye bye.